While Patrick tries to get that to fit, Muggle and I, hello, are going to do a strip wash on the rest of the car so we can get it ready for ceramic. Are you helping by being cute? That's a... I might need some Windex on this piano block too. So now we are polishing. We've got the car washed and prepped and everything, and now we're just buffing it by hand because there's no debris on it or anything, using the occasional spritz of Windex, which hopefully is okay because we're going to use the ceramic on the windshield and on the glass roof and all over this beautiful glossy blue that is looking pretty unblemished now. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's looking really good. And he was saying you can do the wheels separately, so we'll see how we...
For the ceramic?
Yeah.
Yeah,
you don't have to do it all at once, so...
Looking really shiny. Look at that.
Do some experimenting.
Ooh, from this angle, it looks really gorgeous. I could handle this for 7 years. That's what the ceramic says.
It still get dirty.
I know. At least we're starting off right. Pretty good. Looking pretty good. I see some spots I'm going to buff out. And we're almost ready to go. So now that everything is perfectly polished, or as close as we think we're going to get, there is the first item that comes in the kit is the surface prep, which per Patrick smells like fruity alcohol.
Yeah.
Don't spray it in your mouth. How hot is it in here, Patrick?
I'm sweating.
Free sauna.
I think it's 95 today, so...
And
And I locked the door again. Really cool feature is you can lock the door just pushing that.
Oh, right above the circle?
Yeah, it looks like a lock. And it is a lock.
So what temperature do you think it is in here now?
Probably 80 something.
Which is perfect for PPF, right?
Yeah. Got to be careful around these. Ours is loose, and a lot of people have already broken theirs. So take extra care anytime you're wrapping around that. I got some fiber in there, but...
To be totally honest, I kind of boofed the tip, that little thing in front of the M.
Yep.
With the clay bar. That's, I think, the weakest spot, isn't it?
Yeah, we have a work order to get ours replaced. But really, it just needs to be glued down.
Yeah. You can almost see your perfect reflection in the car. That's good.
Yeah, it's looking really clean.
Yeah.
I'll never drive it now.
I know. All right, for this part of the process, the fluffy is locked out because we don't need that tail in the ceramic. And we are ready. Oh my goodness.
And I think I'll do like that much of a section just to start.
Sounds good.
I'm so nervous.
And I know the guy in the video didn't say it, but you remember what the lady said of using that on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
So then the top part of the sponge
I'm gonna
helps
put it there.
distribute it. Did you close it?
No.
Gotta close it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let me close it.
Yeah.
Apparently it starts curing even in the bottle, so we want to close that out. It's not really tight, but so I'm going to do this section sort of like right here just to test.
You going over the black too?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
That doesn't feel like it did anything. I think I might need more.
Oh, and why don't I have the flashlight at the ready, if you're curious.
I think our card's closed anyways, so we might have an issue with the black light not helping us much.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Huh.
I was shining it earlier and I was like, I think that's already.
I can't even tell. Oh, I see it. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Phew. There you go. That's actually really helpful, huh?
Yeah.
Ish.
If we get it at the right angle. Actually, you know what? We may have to turn off the other light so that we can see. Is that better?
Yeah, it is. It's still a very glowy car though. But you can see a line.
Did I get everything covered?
Looks like it to me. Yeah.
Let's turn the lights back on and see if it rainbows or anything. And he said it should feel tacky.
Yeah, with your gloves.
It does not feel tacky. It does not feel like anything.
Maybe it's ready. Here, can you see the line there?
Mm-hmm.
And then it comes out there, but it's all pretty even.
Oh, it looks like I missed it.
Just up top there, right there. There you go. Yeah, it's like equally hard to see in a way. Ever so slightly.
Yeah, I can
there.
sort of tell with my naked eye.
Yeah, I know. I forget to look at it with the naked eye. I kind of like that because I thought it was going to look quite a bit darker.
I really don't know how long.
You want to try now?
Oh, yeah, you can feel it.
Is it tacky?
Yeah, a little bit. Looks the same.
It does look the same, but protected. So that's good, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
And very beautiful. Glassy. So we looked it up, and apparently in the summer, you wait about 2 to 3 minutes after applying it before you move it, depending on temperature. So summertime, 2 to 3 minutes.
I think I want to wipe.
He's gonna do it.
Oh yeah, now you can feel it. It's a little bit harder to get off.
Should I do mine?
Yeah.
Okay. That's harder to get off than the other one was?
Yeah, you can feel it now getting a little bit tougher.
Ah, okay. Oh yeah.